What is a data stream, data lake object, and data model object inside Salesforce Data 360, formerly known as Salesforce Data Cloud? We know that Data Cloud is a place of customer 360 data. We can bring data from multiple places, whether our customers are visiting our websites, our customers are visiting and using our mobile applications, they are present in CRM systems, they are present in external databases, they are present in other financial products. We can bring that data within the Salesforce Data 360 by establishing a data stream. Data stream provides both inbuilt and custom connectors which you can connect with other platforms so that you can bring in data from those platforms. Data streams, you can understand, is a connection to a data source object. What is a data source object? The object from where you have to bring in data within the Salesforce Data 360. So Data 360 offers both custom and inbuilt connectors so that you can connect with all those data source objects. For example, we have a Salesforce CRM connector to bring data from Sales and Service Cloud. We have Salesforce Marketing Cloud connector to bring all the subscribers and subscribers engagement data, custom data extensions within the Salesforce Data 360. We have other platforms like Amazon S3, which helps you connect external platforms and bring in data. So plenty of data connectors are available which you can use inside a data stream to get data from those platforms within Salesforce Data 360. But data stream is just a connection. Once you have established a connection, that data, whether it is structured or unstructured data, flows inside the data cloud and gets inside a data lake object. Whenever you create a data stream, by default a data lake is created. Data stream was a connection, but data lake is the container of data. That structured or unstructured data flowing from data source objects is held inside a data lake object. You can map a data lake object to a data model object. You can map data lake object to data model object so that that data gets a place inside a data cloud. Data model objects are again both custom and standard objects. Custom objects are the objects you create based on your requirement. Salesforce has also provided some standard data model objects like individual objects, unified individual objects, which you can use as per your requirement. So data model objects are of three types. The first kind of data model object is profile category data model object. The other kind is engagement category data model object. And the third kind is others category data model object. So suppose you are bringing a profile data of a customer. Suppose a customer exists in multiple platforms. They exist as a lead inside Salesforce Sales Cloud. They exist as a contact inside Sales Cloud. They exist as a subscriber inside Marketing Cloud. So these are the profile data. Subscribers, leads, contacts are the profile data. You can map this profile data to profile category of data model objects. For example, we have a default object inside Salesforce data model object, which is individual object. Individuals hold all the profile data so that you can reconcile by writing some profile reconciliation rules to make it unified. If there is a lead which got converted to a contact and then it created in Marketing Cloud as a subscriber, so technically a same person having three different identities, a lead identity, a contact identity, and a subscriber identity in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So All these three identities can be mapped to a single data model object, which is known as individual object. Individual objects generally hold profile category of data, so that you can reconcile by writing reconciliation rules within the identity resolution and merge all those three individual profiles into a single unified profile. The other category of data model object is engagement. For example, a lead or a contact has a case raised. They received Salesforce CRM email. That lead or contact got synced inside Marketing Cloud and was part of marketing campaigns. Marketing emails were sent. They opened that email, clicked on that email, explored any link inside that email, unsubscribe that email. So these are the behaviors, engagement behaviors a lead or a contact can do. So that kind of data, which is non-profile but behavioral data, or the engagement data, can be mapped with data model objects, which are engagement categories. Or if any data is not fit for profile and engagement, we can map it with others category data model object. While you create a data model object, you will be asked to define a category of that particular object. We have to understand that the profile data, which is mapped to individual objects, which is a profile category object, will only be used for profile reconciliation rules, identity resolution rules. The other type of data like engagement and others will not be used inside profile reconciliation rules.